gonna start building this thing. We got some parts. I got both styles of handlebars. Might have to run this for a while with cut bars. Can't find no freaking longer throttle cables anywhere. We got those, if I can open it, whatever. We got a spring, we got foot pegs, we got a skid plate, and then we got more spring. So today we're gonna start this thing. We do want to ride today, like quickly, so don't actually know how much I'm gonna put on, but we can start. So that didn't take as long as I thought it would. And we were able to get everything but the skid plate on. We got new springs, we got new foot pegs, we got new handlebars, we got new grips. I was able to actually use the taller XR50 bars. That's what I wanted to use. But I actually had to turn the throttle forward, which is a little sketch, but you know, it's all right. But it is so much better now. How am I gonna get this thing off? Oh yeah, dude, forks are so stiff. Hopefully I don't hit my knee on that thing anymore. I'm really not stoked that I'm wearing shorts again. See if I can wheelie this time. Ready? Oh, that wasn't good. Hold on. I forgot to say, I guess Ryan did some pit bike track work. We put some water down. All right, let's go check these new bars and stuff out, yeah? All bars need to be rolled back a little bit. They're really high. Oh my gosh, Ryan. Dude. Wow, I feel really weird. Really wish I wasn't wearing shorts. Oh, there's a freaking hole. These handlebars are actually feel pretty good. So a little story time. I built a new section. So you see this? Normally right here on the big track I had singles that you would double out on, and then it was 3 singles, 2 singles. I don't know. And I built this hoping that it would be kind of gnarly to triple it, but I forgot to redo the face on this jump back here. I forgot to get rid of this right here, so it's still like you double out. And today I was riding, and most of the time I was just checking up, landing, and then just doing double single because couldn't get any speed to triple it. But one lap I came off of this and completely forgot that I changed the section and hit this like I was doubling it, and I landed into the face of that so hard that I gave myself whiplash and like hitting so hard my head hurt for like 2 laps, and I came in and my ear hurt. But yeah, that was not very fun. Let's go ride with Ryan though. I really wish I was wearing pants, but I'm wearing my work boots at least. Oh, messed that up with the dozer. It's getting pretty sick. Oh my god. Too gnarly. Freaking neutral. All those jumps need to be way bigger. like my legs.
I thought I kicked it into gear. What do you think?
Whew. It's pretty fun.
Suspension's way better, huh?
Yeah.
I think front, a little more oil.
Yeah. I might pull these bars back just a tad bit.
So much more fun with these though.
Yeah.
I think the jumps are fun today.
Yeah, dude, these are sick.
Make them all like that.
The first couple times I did that, I was like, oh my gosh, we're gonna have to keep it like that for a little bit. I don't know if I'm comfortable with like going just super peaked both sides.
It's cool, you definitely get comfortable throwing it around a little more.
Yeah.
But it's like an awkward time to shift because I want to hit that in second.
I go into third before I even go into the corner.
Oh, really?